Can you go over control one more time?
Control, you gotta have controlled entry into the workplace for all new employees.
I understand.
We can't just turn them loose in there without controlling their access to certain areas of that work site without proper training. With a new guy, you have to know the training, and you have to identify the skills every new person is gonna be involved in, whether it be the forklift,
Okay.
core drilling, wire sawing,
Training. Yeah, yeah.
which gets into the orientation, which we already do a lot of this. So we've got the orientation down. Okay, then we have identification. You have to have your high-vis vest, your hard hat, your steel-toed boots.
So it's like your safety identity is determined by your PPE.
Exactly.
So if you're equipped for, you have to have the safety identity in order to have an identity that's permitted on that work location.
Then mentorship is the biggest one.
Oh, and this is the one we're going to focus on, right?
Yeah, under observation of experienced person. We're going to have to pick people depending on their job. I would throw out Marvin Davidson.
Definitely, definitely.
And I got mine on and I got my gloves in my back pocket. Let's walk around and I'm gonna show you a tour of what we do and some of the stuff we do as our equipment come in and how we maintain it and everything. So, all right, these some of the pumps we use for cutting. These some of the units. Those are some robotic hammers that we use for concrete breakage and everything. This is just a different phase of our job. Okay, a lot of the stuff in here that we got going on is the way we maintenance our equipment once it comes back in off a job. You know, whenever you get ready to go to working with something here, you got to have your gloves on. And whenever, this is some of the maintenance that we have to clean it up. We have to clean it up and get it prepared to go back out of town. You know, these are some of our offshore saws. As you work here, you will learn where we put everything at. Like this is a working area where they do maintenance on the blocks. And this is where they do the maintenance on the wheels and stuff for the wire saws. Let's go outside and we'll take a look at where we clean everything up and try to get everything presentable to get ready to go back out of town. We got some equipment laid out right now to be cleaned. Before you go to clean it up, you got to put your safety glasses on and your gloves. Okay, Darius, here's what we do. First of all, when we get ready, before we go to washing it, we take everything out of the basket and we lay it out in a single form. Like the pipes go with pipes, tees go with tees, and everything, so you can actually get an inventory count back in. So here's some of the routines. You first just come through and spray it down. Spray all the equipment down.